My name's Erin, and I attended the Pain to Peace workshop. I loved being able to go to this workshop. It really taught me and gave me the experience to be able to tune into my heart in a way that I have never done before for myself and for everyone who shared the space. It was beautiful. It was really beautiful. And I feel that I'm tapped into a frequency of love that I can carry with me and bring with me through life and be able to be present with life and commune with life in a very just beautiful and loving and centered way. I love it. I'm going to tell lots of people about it.